Welcome back, guys. So we'll see how we can integrate a container vulnerability scanning, and which provides us a report of what all vulnerabilities that exist, and then a basic graphical visual representation which we can see. So we can include that as one of our stage in the pipeline. So let's begin. So in our previous videos, we have seen how to push a image into a container registry. So we can scan the image of any image which is present in any of the registries. So let's say you have kept your image in GCR, which is a Google GCP's container registry, or ECR, Amazon's AWS, or you have even kept in Docker Hub. So just you need to provide a image name so that it can scan the vulnerabilities. So in the same way, today we'll see how we can scan the vulnerabilities which are present at the um registry which is present in GitLab. So to for starters, so we'll see whenever you have not activated or not seen any of this registry, so how it will be. So if you go into the security and compliance, if you go into vulnerability report, you can see over here. So you can see a basic blank page which doesn't consist of anything. But once if you integrate this as a stage, your if that particular container or some container or the packages which we have used, which contains any kind of a vulnerability, so entire display of what all the levels of vulnerabilities it presents, it will jot down very cleanly. So in our last video, so we had seen so how we can push into the container registry of GitLab. So we'll pick up from there. So if you go into CI/CD, and if you go into editor, so we have that stage as one of the stage to push our image into container registry. So let's say okay, so I have some piece of code. So this the I'll what is this. So now, so this is the one, like include template signifies that it consists of some kind of a scanning which has been provided by GitLab. So with this include keyword, it signifies that we are including some template. With the help of that template, we'll be scanning our container image which is present in remote registry. So everything is same and fine. So this is my username. So as such, I can pass my password over here. So I don't need codes. So registry image is this. So I can change that with, so everything is fine, I guess. So now a new stage automatically pops on, which is called as, so we can container registry image build, we can say this. So once our image is built, this stage automatically includes, which is a container scanning. So it's like you can assume some tool which is doing this process. So just click on commit. So some GitLab say invalid container scanning job does not exist, available free. Okay. So you can use stage as, so now it's fine. So see, you can see a new stage has been created, which is called as a container scanning. So once our image is built, it will automatically scan and provide us the report if any of the vulnerabilities which we need to address in this particular build or something. So now this job is done. So now the second stage, which is the container scanning phase. So you can see many of the stages which have been passed. So you can see low cv, some of the flaws which existing in this particular image which has been induced by other dependencies or any of the modules which we have used. So you can see, so we can, for security reasons, this is the which falls under I category, and this is a low category, so we can take this up and we can keep on fixing, so it improves our security altogether. So now if you go into security and security dashboard, you can see the entire vulnerability report. So you can see based on the color variants which all, how many I critical medium kind of a thing, so which we saw over initial, that security dashboard was empty. So now we can see your vulnerability report, entire vulnerability report, so which has been updated 2 minutes ago. So you can see there are two critical warnings, 16i and 7 medium. So this is the report which will be easily it will be hands off at the developers end, so you can see and we can fix which are the important one which need to be fixed on urgent basis. So and there is no operational vulnerabilities. So these are the important things which we can include in our pipeline for better security practices as a DevSecOps practices. So that's all for this video. Thank you.